Loop is live. Work together, guys. Work together. Kirk Dowell with some super gnarly, shiny rims on that thing. Well, let's pick up your leader, Jason Levy. Which hot rod's he using? That red hot rod. Red number 08, it looks like. I believe the number 08 is all-time reserve for Jason Cantrell. He's got the lifetime registration. Levy, Tim Harris, Kirk Dowell, your top three. 45 seconds in. Fastest lap for the race belongs to Jason Levy, 4.11. Tim Harris, 4.14 hot lap. Uh-oh, Sharp, having a little bit of trouble. Gets it going. What kind of pace are we on? I'm not even going to tell him, but it's going fast. Jason Levy out front on that Heat2 run. On the back straightaway. That's going to hurt. That was your leader, Jason Levy. How bad was that lap? 8.5 seconds. That cost him a full lap. Jason Levy was just on a track record pace and lost it. Levy with a 4.06 fast lap now. Caution in one. Caution in one. 1 minute left. 50 seconds left to go. Levy now falling off of that TQ time. Fast lap of the race, 4.01 for Tim Harris. Levy now taking over TQ pace. Well, let's see if he can stay there. He's up to a 56 lap run right here. Still a full lap slower than track record. All that matters right now is snapping that TQ spot. Up next, race number 7. You guys should be through. 8 should be in there. 9 should be thinking about it. Less than 10 on the master clock. Keep on going, guys. We'll help in the infield for sure there. Keep on going. Keep on going. You're not done yet. Keep on going. And that's a race. I'll stop. Taking the win at new TQ. Jason Levy, 56.402. Tim Harris going to be second, 52. Kirk, 47. Anthony, 43. And Sharp, 41.